Making a small bobble is super easy and it can add a fun little texture to your knitting, so let's get started. I'm going to show you how to knit a small bobble. And I am using 2 strands of yarn. Don't let that distract you. Using one works like this just fine. So get to the stitch where you want to place your bobble. And you're going to knit front, knit back, knit front. So what you want to do is insert your needle, knit, and don't take it off the needle, knit into the back, don't take it off the needle still, and knit into the front again. And of course, this is going to be a little more difficult if you're a tight knitter like I am. And then you can take it off the needle. And so you have those 3 stitches there. And turn your work. And then you're going to slip the first stitch purlwise. And then you purl 2. Purl 2. That's 1. That's 2. Turn your work back to the front. And then slip the first stitch purlwise, and then knit 2. Then you have those 3 stitches on this needle, and you're going to take the second stitch and bring it over and drop it off the needle, and do the same thing with the third, and then leave that stitch on because that's the stitch we started with. And that's how you make your bobble, and you can just continue on with your pattern. You can see your little bobble.